Hi, hope you are doing well. We have gone through your requirements and understand that you need to develop an app which provides a resource of helpful advice for patients in post-operative period following eye surgery treatments. The app must be provide the patient with reminders when to take their standardized post-operative eye drops. The patient should be able to log when they have taken their medications. This should produce a report that the patient can submit to a designated email address if they wish to. The patient must also be able to provide a Trustpilot or a Doctify review direct from the app when prompted to do so. The patient should also be encouraged to refer to friends and family to service direct via the app as well. And you have also mentioned that the look and feel of the app should be consistent with the website, which is currently under your final development process. Well, I'm happy to tell you that we'll be able to help you regarding this issue, as we have developed a lot of Android and iOS apps as well as web applications. So here in this video, I will be explaining some of our recently developed Android applications which is relevant to your project. So let's begin. So here it is, the first application which I am willing to show you is All Public Art. It is completely an art marketplace app for art lovers where user can buy or sell artworks directly through the app. This app got a huge success. Its launching news was published by the prestigious newspaper of Los Angeles called the Los Angeles Times. I have provided the news link along with the project link in the description part, so please check out. Here in this app, the user can scroll through various kind of artworks. As you can see, user can click on a particular artwork, they can like on it, they can comment on it, and also they can share the artwork through this application. So this is the share option button. User can also like the artwork by clicking on this like button, and this is the comment section of this artwork. So by the app, the user can directly post an artwork also into the platform. So let me show you an example. So here it is, user have to provide their required field here, have to provide the location, and then click on to the post button to successfully post an artwork. So this application has an interesting feature, which is this chat feature. User can interact with one another by this chat feature here. Let me show you an example. Here, as you can see, a successful chat conversation is going on between two users. For this chat feature, we have used Socket.io and Firebase database for real-time chat experience. This application has another interesting feature, which is this Find That section. Through this Find That section, user can directly communicate with the nearby artwork. So let me show you an example. So this app has detected my current location. This red dot is my current location, and this yellow dot is my nearby artwork's location. So while I am clicking on this yellow dot, I will be directly redirected to the nearby artwork's location. So now this red dot is the nearby artwork's location. So this is pretty much features about this All Public Arts. This app has many more features. To keep the video short, I cannot explain all these features to you, and I request you to please check all the features thoroughly. Well, now moving on to our next project. This is MedCheck. It is completely a doctor-patient consulting app through which the patient can consult with a doctor with plenty of features. As from the dashboard, you can imagine that this app has plenty of features. This is a bilingual app. As you can see, this English and Vietnamese two language options are provided here, so user can select one of these. So to select a doctor's list, user have to first select his location and then click on to this doctor's list. So as you can see, the available doctors list will be provided nearby the users. This app has another interesting feature, which is this self-health assessment feature. From this self-health assessment, user have to first select his gender. After that, he have to select the age, and after that the app will show some list of results from which user can select one if he have one. So if the issue is minor, then the app will predict a remedy right away, and if the issue is major, then the app will suggest the user to communicate with the doctor. So this app has many more features, as the lab test reports can be generated from here. The medical insurance reports can also be generated from here, and user can also make subscription to this app through this payment section. There are also some membership options provided. For these payment methods we have used Stripe Payment Gateway. So here user can also initiate chat with another doctors. So to keep the video short, I cannot explain all these features to you, and I request you to check all the features in details. So now moving on to our next project, which I will show you, is Clocken. It is completely an employee management system. The timesheet is managed directly here. This is a subscribed app. As you can see, this is a free trial version is going on. So in order to use the app, user have to subscribe into the app. So there are 3 subscribe methods provided here. For this subscription option, we have used Stripe Payment Gateway. So from this live look feature, user can see who is presently working in. So as no one is clocked in, so this option is showing. From this clock in section, user can directly clock in into the system by selecting a job. Let me show you an example. Here user have to first select the job, and then his present location will be detected by the real-time location service system of the device. Then user have to click on this clock in button. So after clicking on this clock in button, a pop-up will be showing that the user has been successfully clocked in. So as you can see, it has been shown. And after successful clocking in, there will be a live timer going on, which will calculate the user's current day and week. So there is a live timer is going on. So if the employee want, they can also clock out from this system by clicking on this clock out button. So there will be also a pop-up showing that the user has been successfully clocked out. So from this generate report section, employer can generate a particular employee's report. So let me show you an example. Here I have to select first an employee's name, then select his starting date, and after that select his end date. So after selecting the starting date and end date, I have to click onto this search button. So that particular employees, all the details will be showing. That is the working time, total break taken time, in time, out time, etc. So user can download this report in PDF form by clicking on the send report up button. So there is a billing part which I have shown previously, that this is provided for subscription portion. So this app has many more features, as you can see. So I request you to please check all the features in brief by simply logging into the system. Now moving on to our next project, this is Desty. It is completely a Uber clone app. So from this search bar, user have to provide first his location. Let me just provide my location. And then user have to select his destination. So here auto suggestions are also coming. So after selecting those fields, the app will predict a route through which the cab will travel, and there are 4 cab options from which user can select one, and there are 2 payment methods, one is card and one is cash. So user can select from one of these, and for card method we have used Stripe Payment Gateway. So this app has many more features, as you can see. The user can also invite friends here directly by sharing the link of this app. So to keep the video short, I cannot explain all these features to you, and I request you to please check all the features in brief, for which I have provided this app's link in the project description. So these are some of our projects which we have done recently, and we have done many more, and we will be more than happy to share those links with you if got an opportunity. So I hope we get the opportunity to work together in the near future. So thanks for watching this video and have a great day.